How beautiful is this, seeing one bird feeding the other. Well, that's something very different. I mean, maybe that's a baby, I've no idea. They're all flying very happily. It's not spring. Whatever it is, that's just delightful to see. See, this makes me incredibly happy to share. I made those bells. If anybody's interested and wants to make their own bird feeders, I'm more than happy to share how I do it. And you can always find me on www.susuniversityoflife.nz, all S's and all lowercase. That's my website, and lots of videos for you to help yourself to, and just ask me anything, and if I can find an answer I will, and if not, then we'll work it out together. So that's a little bit of nature in my back garden. Ross, my partner's just made that, and I've made the bird feeders, and there was about a dozen birds earlier. I think they'll probably hear the vibration of my voice, and at least that's been a pleasurable 2 minutes. I hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.